Here we go again, all ready to clean those dirty boots. Step 1. Using the soft sugar brush, brush off that dust from the upper part of your shoes. Step 2. Now pour 3 gentle pumps of sugar solution in a bowl of water. Step 3. Dip the soft brush in the sugar liquid. Gently clean the upper part of your shoes. Step 4. Use the microfiber towel to dab it dry. Step 5. Grab that medium brush, dip it in the sugar solution and use it on the midsoles to scrub off the dirt. Wipe it clean with the microfiber towel. Step 6. Take the hard brush, dip it in the sugar solution and scrub the outsoles to break the dirt. Use the microfiber towel to wipe it. Combat dirty shoes with SHOEGR.